In this video, I'm going to show you the one indicator that is very good for scalping. And if you're a scalper, then this is the scalper's heaven. And if you're a day trader, then you can still use this indicator on the higher time frame. So basically, it is going to work both in the scalping and the day trading. So guys, this indicator is called the market turning points indicator that you can see on the screen. And the good thing about this indicator that this indicator is the real time indicator. Now, for example, this is the level right now. It looks a static level for you, but actually, when the price was here, then this level was created on the rejection of this candle or this candle. So basically, it works into the real time. Okay, so for example, the static level was already there, but you can see it has made another buying opportunity here. So I'm going to give you the mid-day review based on this indicator. Now, the second candle is in formation, and if this candle successfully closed, then this indicator, this level will get fixed. Okay, so if we talk about the gold 15-minute, you can see it touched the buying opportunity, and right now it's making the second buying opportunity. Looks like that the price wants to target the upper side that is available at 33.88. Okay, so similarly, if we go to the Great Britain pound USD, then you can see that it's basically following the downward pattern. Okay, right now if you just look at here, even our trend line is bearish, so I will consider this one to be the bearish. Right now you can expect a slight pullback from this buy opportunity, and later on the price can even go to target the lower buy opportunity that is available on the downward side. Okay, so I will keep myself bearish on pound USD. And similarly, if we just have a look on the euro USD, it also looks bearish, but right now this is the level that is the key level that is needed to be tested at 1.1450 500. And if we have a break above that resistance that you can see at 1.15099, then we can expect the upward pressure, and the market can go to target the upper sell opportunities available at the top. If you just look on USD CHF, it's under the consolidation, so no need to trade that one. If you just look at USD CAD, so it's at the selling opportunity. Okay, so what can happen here? The price can pull back slightly down in that area, and then because the trend is going up, so what will happen? A new buy opportunity has a very good chance to be created from here, or might be it will get a pullback from the lower buy opportunity, and then it will go to target the top sell opportunity level at the top. Okay, so meanwhile, while I'm making this video, how you can have the lifetime version of the market turning points indicator, it's very simple. You can contact us on Telegram, you can contact through email, and you can book the lifetime version of this indicator. Okay, similarly, AUD has liquidated everyone because it has already taken the liquidity that was available at the top. And if you just see here right now, it is everyone is liquidated. Now it has a more chance that the price can follow the downward side at the lower buying opportunity. Okay, similarly, if we talk about Australian dollar USD, so it's following the downward pattern. So just note down these levels. These are the most important levels from where should expect a buying opportunity from these levels. Okay. Okay, similarly, the next one is the Bank Nifty. If we go to the Bank Nifty is under the sell opportunity level, so it can have a rejection into the downward side. And if we look at the Bitcoin USD, so if you just look at here, so I still believe that the Bitcoin is bearish and it can again go into the downward side, because right now we have the strong selling opportunities available at 102,800. So this is the midday market review from my side, and even the last one USD JPY, it has reached to the top selling opportunities. So just note down these levels 148.448. So these are the good rejections points for the market. Okay, so moreover, the further review will be done in the evening. Okay, and about the bank indicator, so especially I would like to review the bank indicator on the 5-minute time frame. You can see gold looks bullish. It's closing above the dotted red line. It shows the strength in the market, so gold can target the upper side, right? Okay, if we go to pound USD, then pound is rejected from the bank selling order and target and has already reached to the bank's buying order. But I think so the new bank buying order will be created later. Okay, so USD CHF under the rejection right now, and similarly I have told you everything. USD CAD it's a sell for the USD CAD. So this is how you can manage this indicator. So both indicators are very good, but the market turning points is the real time indicator. And if you want to get the access, then you can contact on Telegram. What's on the not on the WhatsApp, because we are not available. Okay, so Telegram and email, this is completely fine for you to contact us. And find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much.